Are you ready to make a ton of money in the E-mini NASDAQ index in 2025? I definitely am, and in this video I'm going to share with you how exactly. Hi, my name is Tomas Nesnidal, in the trading industry known as the Mr. Breakout. I'm a professional breakout trading specialist, the author of the life-changing breakout trading book, and author of the universal breakout trading formula, highly prized by traders and professionals from around the world, which you can get at this link. Number 1, I'm going to trade the regular trading and post-market sessions. As I already explained in the last video, the index market split into 3 sessions. The pre-market session, which goes from midnight till 8:30 a.m., the regular trading session, which goes from 8:30 a.m. to 3:15 p.m., and the post-market sessions, which, with some small breaks in between, continues from 15:15 till the midnight. Now, indexes behave very differently in different parts of the trading day. That's why we need to split them into these 3 sections and then just analyze where the most money can be made. We use a proprietary hedge fund market mapping technique, which helps us to reveal the strongest tendencies, or as we like to call it, the lowest hanging fruit. And this is where I believe the lowest hanging fruit will be in 2025 when it comes to trading the E-mini NASDAQ market. Let's start with the pre-market session. As you can see, the pre-market session has picked some upwards momentum in the last year and a half. However, before that, we were experiencing the right opposite. Thus, the direction of the pre-market is not really clearly defined and it's a little bit all over the place. And that's why I suggest not to focus on the pre-market much when it comes to the day trading of E-mini NASDAQ in 2025. Now let's get to the second part of the session, the regular trading hours. As you can see, this is already a much stronger and much firm upward bias. Although it has been stagnating a little bit lately, the tendency is still clear and powerful, and I'm a strong believer that this still is going to be a great session to make money on in 2025 with long strategies. And finally, the aftermarket session shows even more promise when it comes to long trading. The aftermarket session is definitely heavily upward biased, and that means that if we combine the regular trading hours and aftermarket session hours, we will get the most potential to make some great money with long E-mini NASDAQ strategies. That's where my focus is going to be in 2025, as I believe this is the lowest hanging fruit overall. Number 2, focus on Mondays and Wednesdays. Here is a breakdown of the E-mini NASDAQ tendencies according to the day of the week. As you can see, Mondays are very powerful and it should be quite easy to make money on Mondays with long E-mini NASDAQ strategies. However, the same cannot be said about Tuesday, which is a little bit all over the place. I think you still can deploy long strategies on Tuesdays, but you need to be more careful and definitely reduce your size if possible. When it comes to Wednesday is still a very powerful long day, and I expect the same to continue in 2025. So if I would have to pick just 2 trading days of the week for the E-mini NASDAQ market, I would definitely pick Monday and Wednesday as my main focus. Now, when it comes to Thursday, this day is a little bit all over the place and I personally would recommend to avoid it completely. And when it comes to Friday, well, although we can see a bit of an upward bias, for my taste, it's getting pretty weak and it even has been turning down lately. So on Fridays, I would be very, very careful. Now, if you like this video so far, please give me a thumb up so I know you like these kinds of videos and I can produce more of them. And also don't forget to subscribe because many more videos with tips like this are coming soon. Let's continue. Tip number 3, only go long on days when the daily ADX, meaning on daily charts, with period 20 is higher than 17.5. As you can see on these 2 pictures, there's a very, very strong upward bias with days with daily ADX higher than 17.5, and it's much easier to make money with long strategies in days like these on the E-mini NASDAQ market. If you compare it with the ADX below 17.5, it is way more over the place, the tendency is not clear, and your signals will definitely not be as clear and well filtered compared to the days when the daily ADX trades above 17.5. Now, why 17.5? Well, this is related to a proprietary ADX calibration technique which we invented and use in our hedge fund. And if you are curious how to do it precisely step by step, please click on the link below where I share the entire calibration process completely for free. And finally, tip number 4, go breakout trading. In the last few years, I made a ton of money day trading breakout trading strategies on practically all the indexes. Breakout trading, including day trading, works like magic with breakout trading approach. And on top of that, it's really easy and fast to implement it. The framework I use is the exact framework described in the Breakout Trading Revolution book, which is a universal framework you can deploy on nearly any market, any trading platform, and literally just in few days. So I highly recommend getting this book and focus on breakout day trading in 2025, as I'm very sure this is where a lot of money will be made. Now let me ask you, how do you plan to day trade NASDAQ in 2025? Share below and give us a thumb up if you want me to record more videos like this. Again, don't forget to subscribe because more great tips like this are coming soon. And also, don't forget to download the free material on the link below. Happy trading and see you in the next one.